Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol SENS. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. Does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I did this analysis on Tuesday, so that is where the green and red line annotations are coming from. But after today's price movement, definitely some updates here need to be done. First thing I'm going to do is a little house cleaning and go ahead and get rid of this line down there. Yes, that level still pertains to the chart. It's just not relevant right now. And from a presentation point of view, I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion because there's lines everywhere. So let's try to keep this analysis as clean as possible. The first update, though, that needs to be made comes about based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. So one of the newest areas of support now is up there at $1.25, and that's what I would call the ideal level. When you say, hey Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? And that would be if the price can stay up above $1.25. With that being said, though, don't get me wrong, it's not like if the price falls below $1.25, the entire chart's destroyed or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could manage to stay up above that level, that would definitely be a massive sign of power going forward. Taking a step back and looking at all this from the big picture point of view, that is where the purple line comes into play, the 50-period simple moving average. As the name implies, this line here is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very straightforward way to gauge the health of the move, that right there being defined as quote-unquote the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full control, the bulls are in full health. However you must visualize that, that is what is being represented. Again, yeah, staying above $1.25 would be great. But from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. What about levels of resistance? Nothing fancy or complicated here. The party stopped today right up there at the $1.30 mark. So going forward, $1.30 key level. And I think I talked about this in Tuesday's video, but resistance levels don't matter. What do I mean? Well, what matters is what the prices continue to do. And that is just right here, just build higher bases, or if you want to picture those as stair steps. So over time, as long as the price continues to chip away and build those higher lows, then given enough time, everything else will take care of itself, including breaking levels of resistance. So continue to focus on those higher bases and healthy consolidations, and just sit back and let the trend keep on doing its thing. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.